Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is ravenous. It is pronounced ravenous, and it is spelled R-A-V-E-N-O-U-S. Think raven and then us. Ravenous means extremely hungry. For example, you could say, I was ravenous after the long hike. The word ravenous comes from the 14th century word ravenous, meaning obsessed with plundering or extremely greedy. Today, we've extended the meaning of greedy to mean actual hunger. Some of you might have thought the word ravenous comes from the word raven, which is a large species of crow. However, while a raven could be described as ravenous, the words are unrelated. Did you know ravens are very clever birds and are known to steal shiny objects like pebbles that are cut a certain way and metals? Young ravens are very intelligent and curious, often investigating anything bright or round that catches their eye. Ravenous is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the ravenous dog ate all its dinner in the blink of an eye. Ravenous is defined in the dictionary as extremely hungry or in great need of food. Ravenous' synonyms include hungry, starving, insatiable, and famished. Antonyms include full, satisfied, and complete. See if you can spot anyone who is ravenous today. It could be a character in a book or your friends in the queue for lunch at school. Antonyms include full and satisfied. See if you can spot anyone who is ravenous today. It could be a character in a book or your friends in the queue for lunch at school. Either way, impress your friends and family by telling them you're feeling ravenous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.